Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Italian panna cotta. It's so simple to make, and summer is the perfect time to make it. It's so cool and refreshing and comes together in a snap. Let me show you how to make it and let's get started. That's a vanilla bean. It's soft and it's beautiful. I have it and I'm gonna use it to flavor my panna cotta. You can add any flavor or any extract that you like. I'm really gonna stay traditional this time and I'm gonna use a vanilla bean pod. I'm gonna use the seeds to flavor the cream. Scrape the seeds with the back of a knife and set it aside. We're gonna start working on the gelatin. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder, about 30 grams. Add 1/3 cup water, room temperature water of course, to the gelatin. You're gonna mix, and in the bigger bowl you're gonna add some hot boiling water. Place the gelatin mix on top of the hot boiling water. This is my preferred way of mixing the gelatin. It'll become smoother and more liquidy and easier to blend in with the cream. To a saucepan, I'm gonna add 4 cups of heavy whipping cream. And I'm using all cream here, no milk. That's how Italians like to make panna cotta. I'm gonna add those precious seeds I just scraped off of the bean pod, and I'm gonna add the bean pod itself. It's gonna add additional flavor. Mix in a little bit, and then you're gonna add 1 cup of granulated sugar. You're gonna mix until combined. You want the cream mixture to become hot to the touch, but we don't want it to boil. 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 70 degrees Celsius is what I stopped at. Don't forget to remove the bean pod when you're ready to add the gelatin. I removed the thermometer and I'm gonna add the gelatin liquid. I keep on mixing and the heat is off at this point. Mix until very smooth, and believe it or not, the panna cotta is done. All you have to do is place it in the fridge to firm up. You can plate in individual cups or you can serve family style. I'm using this silicone mold. I'm gonna place all the liquid in there and place it in the fridge. I can smell the vanilla, it smells heavenly. 4 to 6 hours later, the panna cotta will be ready. Meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare an easy blueberry sauce to go on top of the panna cotta. And you can prepare a strawberry sauce, a caramel sauce, or a refreshing mango layer like this one. The blueberry sauce is super simple to make. You're gonna add 1 teaspoon of lime juice or lemon juice, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, and some blueberries, and let it cook for 15 minutes. This is how it's gonna look like. And as always, I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. The panna cotta is ready and out of the fridge. I'm gonna flip it and garnish and serve. It's shiny and perfect. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's so simple to make and so cool and refreshing for the summer. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes, and follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. Don't forget to leave your questions and comments in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!